finally found the best vanilla cupcake recipe and I'm going to share it with you. And I'm sure there are a lot of bakers out there thinking, Joe, I've been using this recipe for 25 years. Well, I've only been alive 22 years, so give me a chance to catch up. It's the egg weighing method, and I use this for my cakes, and I don't know why I haven't been using it for my cupcakes, because it's perfect. You weigh 3 eggs, and whatever they weigh, that's how much butter, sugar and flour you're going to use. So my 3 eggs weighed 176 grams, so I used 176 grams of butter, 176 grams of caster sugar, and I mixed them together in a bowl until they were pale and fluffy, and added my eggs one at a time, mixing in between. I then added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2.5 tablespoons of milk, and I mixed that together. Yes, mine looks curdled, it's because my eggs were straight out the fridge. I keep my eggs in the fridge because I sell my cakes and it's safer to keep your eggs in the fridge. Don't bother putting in the comments, it's curdled because this, that and the other. It's because my eggs were cold, I'm telling you that right now. So, thank you. Then you want to sieve in 176 grams of self-raising flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you want to fold it in very carefully, making sure to knock out not too much air. That was not grammatically correct, but we'll go with it. Then you want to line your cupcake cases. No, your cupcake, what do they call them? Tins. Mine ain't tins though, mine are molds, cupcake molds. Whatever you've got to cook your cupcakes in, just line them with cupcake cases. And you want cupcake cases that fit your tins or your molds. I used to use ones that are too big, and they would fold in and they would peel away from the cupcakes once they were cooked. And that's not what we want. We want ones that fit perfectly. And then I just used spoons to evenly distribute the batter out into the 12 cupcake cases. And I don't know about you, but putting batter into cupcake cases is so therapeutic for me. I just love it. Proper calms me down. So I've really enjoyed this part. Anyway, you want to put these in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That's not fan, that's conventional. For about 25 minutes until they come out golden and the skewer comes out clean. You know the drill, cakes and all that, we all know. And look, they're just beautiful. They're not flat. I've never understood why people want flat cupcakes. I really don't get it. Can someone tell me why you want flat cupcakes? Surely you want a bit of a dome on them. I don't get it. Anyway, these are gorgeous. They're not greasy around the edges or on the bottom. They're spongy and they taste bloody delicious. So I'd give this a go if I were you.